बच्चों के हिसाब से जो बुक्स है वो तो बहुत हेवी है, बच्चों को तो बहुत तकलीफ होती, और जो अननेसेसरी उसमें बहुत ये है, जो काम का एजुकेशन का है उससे तो ज़्यादा बेकार बुक्स बहुत है।
The IB system is much better, where they go to school and finish off everything in school, and then at home they can just do whatever they want to do, like extra, like even go down and play, or the simple things in life, like
exposure to practical work, so they need to be prepared with skills that will help them to achieve in the open world later on. So when they go into the world, they are lacking with many skills, so our schools need to include skills that will prepare them for life.
Do find it interesting. Instead of doing rote learning, this is more practical work. So projects and all, sometimes they are too much. I mean, near the exams and all that.
Peer pressure is too high. Loading is definitely, I'm seeing 3-year-old to 2-year-olds, parents taking the children to school and they're learning all sorts of poetries and this, and we're not going to help them at that age. I mean, that's the time till the child should be playing.
They have to make some changes, and they have to change the education system. The what education minister has to look into this matter. Who is that? Kapil Sibal or something? Still now. So he has to do something about it. They are really burdened.
Differently abled children, like those with dyslexia and dyscalculia, etc. Also, children who have handicaps have to be seen too.
बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन बहुत सारे हैं और टाइम बहुत कम है हमारे पास। ऐसा होता है कि खाना खाने का टाइम नहीं होता है। हम हॉस्टल में रहते हैं, इतने दूर से आते पढ़े अच्छी कॉलेज में पढ़ाई करने के लिए। अभी इतना कॉलेज का टाइमिंग कभी नहीं जमता है।
Students have lots of burden, especially parents pressurize them due to the education system, the marking system. It makes a lot of difference because they get pressurized more than children. So it's very much there.
It is. I mean, it's stressful and it gets very hectic, to work. We are every day we are just in the college doing projects, assignments, exams. All that is only there, so it becomes very hectic.
It is helping the students, and it has become pro students things, and it is helping the student more, not the teacher, and it's overburdening to the teachers also.
I don't think bio students should really have to take physics, because it's really of no use in medicine. Basically, all you need is like a few instruments, which you don't need to do like physics completely. So
today the education system is overburdening the students with the projects to do at home and the homework. The parents are also being overburdened with these projects to do. The government needs to change a few policies about the current education system. With cameraman Swapnil, Mickey Kudar, MRSC, Mumbai.